All right. My birthday present came in. Something, a little bonus that I picked up for myself. Here, I'm going to pull it out of the box. Oh boy. Something I've been eyeing and have just decided against again and again. But today, my lucky day. Today, we're going to see. I know I'm not alone. I know others have done it. This is new to me. Because I hope that in the next couple months I'll be taking a small journey down the 3D road. All right. So you can see this is a package from Radiolink. It's in its own carrying case. I wish I could say I cleaned everything off better, but it's pretty exciting. So, all right. The zippers. Here, let's see. See what happens. Ooh, whole pack of stickers. Here, put this aside. Start laying these out. Got an instruction manual. This is the Radiolink A560. It is I'll call it an assisted 3D fixed wing vertical flight airplane. There's looks like a quick guide. Can't tell what direction it opens up. Okay, it opens up as a big poster. I'll get to that in a second. Let's move this around like this. Okay, so it comes with, I think mine I bought with 2 batteries, 660 milliamp, 2 cell. These are little batteries. I've got some 800s, but anyway, I guess this is what you need. A couple of these. We've got a charge cord. Set that up over there. Looks like we have a transmitter. Looks like there are 7 channels. It's a Radiolink transmitter. Comes, pardon me, all right. It looks like there's a strap for the carrying case that we can put over your shoulder. Pull this out. This looks like a, what is that? The craft foam. Looks like they are a bunch of pre-linked linkages. There are 2 servos already installed and connected. Or at least one of them is already connected to the rudder. These are very wide angle, looks like ailerons. We've got an R8XM with sticky stuff, so when we're ready we'll place it down. Got a 15 amp ESC here, a motor that is a 2206 1450 kV. It's SZ speed. And then of course there's a stabilizer here, stuck right at, apparently must be the CG. That's all on the underside. I think this is supposed to be stuck onto the side here. I'm going to stick it there because it doesn't look like it's in the way. Yeah, but it looks like it's just, I don't know. It's an unusual kind of foam. Anyway, I'll put this aside. Don't have to damage anything in the process. We'll move this back a little bit more. And we'll look at the next level. And it looks like getting the ailerons. Are the elevators here, and this is the wing. This kind of fits in and tucks in amongst everything. We've got landing gear. Set that aside. We've got 2 propellers, I hope. Oh, yep. It looks like we've got prop savers, so with any luck, I don't jam it in. We've got extra servo arms, a bunch of connectors and screwdriver, some fiber tape, plastic buckles for the wing and tail plane, and then the servo lever fixer. All right. It also comes with a USB-B connector, so I guess you can connect your Radiolink to one, I'm not sure yet. Some screws. It says hook and spring for throttle stick to be self-centered. All right, that's exciting. That's new to me. All right, I think that's it. Hopefully you haven't been looking at the top of my head the whole time. All right, oh, and a little, so it looks like there is I'm gonna open this up because it looks adorable. This keychain, as well as looks like an instructions connection or a connection to the Radiolink QC code. All right, I think that's it. That's in here. It looks like just a piece of cardstock. Pardon my head. Oh, put this aside here. Oh, well, that's it. It looks like we'll move these things a little bit out of the way. See here. Looks like this is what we have. That's foamy DM out. Thanks. All right, let's just get to this. There we go. That's everything. Foamy DM out. Here, I'm going to go zoom in a little closer on some of these pieces.